Prime Minister Narendra Modi recalled Somnath Temple's repeated destruction and revival, saying flag hosting there reflects India's strength and resilience. Addressing the Somnath Swabhiman Parv, he said invaders who attacked the shrine are now confined to history, while Somnath continues to stand as a civilizational symbol. National Security Advisor Ajit Doval said he largely avoids phones and the internet for personal communication, relying on alternative means when necessary. Speaking at the Vikasit Bharat Young Leaders Dialogue, he clarified that he uses digital communication only when required, including for international contacts. The Odisha government has sought central assistance for road and national highway projects worth 41,580 crore. Deputy Chief Minister Prabhati Parida raised the demand during the pre-budget consultation meeting for the Union Budget 2026-27, chaired by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. Senior BJD leader Latika Pradhan alleged the party lost 10 confirmed winning assembly seats in Ganjam during the 2024 elections. She held campaign managers accountable, questioning the role of then district in charge Manas Mangraj and claiming repeated warnings were ignored. The Directorate General of Civil Aviation has launched an on-site probe into the charter aircraft accident in Odisha's Rourkela district. A DGCA team inspected the crash site and conducted an aerial survey, while the state government reiterated its focus on medical care for the injured. US President Donald Trump has been briefed on military options related to Iran amid ongoing protests, according to the New York Times. Officials said no final decisions has been taken, even as demonstrations triggered by economic distress continue across several Iranian cities. Pakistan-based terror outfit Jaish-e-Mohammed released an audio message purportedly featuring its chief Masood Azhar, claiming it has thousands of suicide bombers. Authorities said the audio surfaced online, but its authenticity and timing could not be independently verified. Dhruv Jurel has been added to India's ODI squad against New Zealand following Rishabh Pant's injury. The BCCI said Pant was ruled out after scans confirmed an abdominal muscle tear sustained during a training session ahead of the series opener. Indian Idol Season 3 winner Prashant Tamang died in Delhi at the age of 43. Fellow singer and former contestant Bhavik Dhanak said the death was sudden and attributed to a suspected cardiac arrest.